If you want to integrate Vapi with n8n to automate your calls, messages, or AI-driven workflows, here's a quick guide to get you started. So first of all, on Vapi, you can easily create an account. Once inside, head to your project dashboard and open the API keys section from the left sidebar, right over here. Press on API keys. Then create a new key if you don't have one. For example, we have a private one, we can just copy it right away. And then open your n8n, which I have on the left, and if you're self-hosted, log into your web dashboard or use n8n cloud version. Create a new workflow and start with a webhook node. So we click on the first tab and choose webhook. And then let us add the HTTP request node. Set the method to post, which is right over here. And in the URL field, enter the Vapi endpoint. Then in the header section, add key authorization and value, bearer, and then your API key. Then in the body parameters, add the data you want to send, for example, a message or a call trigger in JSON format. Click execute node after that to test the connection, for example, list for a listen to the event. You can also map inputs from previous nodes to dynamically send data from other apps connected to your n8n workflow. And then from here, you can chain more nodes, for instance, connect Google Sheets, Notion, or Slack. Using environment variables helps keep your API keys secure, especially in production workflows. And that's how you connect your Vapi to n8n in just a few steps. If this helped you automate your workflow, give the video a like and check out the link in the description.